And now we turn our attention to our good friend, Dr. Lee Weisbard of Weisbard Dental.
She's got a health tip for us every week. Hi, Dr. Weisbard.
Good morning, Angel. Good morning, Eric.
Well, good morning, Doctor. How are you today?
I am marvelous. Thank you.
I love that. What's our health tip today?
Well, I wanted to talk about holiday time. Everybody's concerned about having beautiful white teeth. Everybody wants to have that beautiful sparkle smile.
Absolutely.
It's time for pictures.
Absolutely. Christmas pictures, holiday pictures, yes. So what I wanted to do is just give some information about the different kinds of teeth whitening systems out on the market.
Fantastic. I don't know that there are more than one, so educate me,
You're going to
please.
educate us because we didn't realize.
Well, there's a lot of products that you can purchase in the grocery store, at the pharmacy. And one of the things we want to say is those products may work, but they're unsupervised. So there's really there's a high risk for the patient using those products. They can burn their tissue. They can have spotty results. It's not as predictable as going to the dentist and having a dentist supervise the teeth whitening process.
That actually makes sense, Dr. Weisbard. I did some home whitening several years ago, and afterwards my gums were so sore and tender. I couldn't eat for 3 days.
Exactly. And then there's nobody there to help you with that sensitivity or discomfort. So some of the products on the market that are okay would be perhaps Crest white strips. But again, you're missing between the teeth, so they can be very spotty. The best results really are coming to a dental office and having professional whitening done. We do teeth whitening trays as well as the in-office they call it laser whitening, which is one procedure, and it really does make a huge difference.
Dr. Weisbard, how long does a whitening last?
Well, the trays take a while to whiten. As you use the trays, there's different percentages of active ingredient. There's either a carbamide peroxide or a hydrogen peroxide, and those products take a little longer to work and actually last a little longer. The so-called laser whitening, which is in office, will probably last a couple of years, and depending on habits. People who are big red wine drinkers, blueberries, that can start to restain the teeth.
And coffee, too.
Right.
She's looking at me.
And, you can redo those procedures every year or so as well.
Well, that's good to know. Those ones, you can do it yourself, but you're right. It's unsupervised. You don't want to mess around with your mouth because if you mess that up, you could do permanent damage.
Right. So what we recommend is that people come to the dentist, come to our office. We are happy to do the so-called laser whitening, which is really a light source that activates the solution. We supervise it, and then we can do trays as touch-up to keep it bright and white longer. And we're actually running a special right now.
Oh, I like
love
specials.
that.
Okay, there's an option. It's either $100 off the in-office teeth whitening, which is normally $3.99, and we'll do it for $2.99, which is a great deal. Or they can have complimentary teeth whitening trays to do their touch-ups. So, and those are usually $250. Wow. So they can either get $100 off the teeth whitening process. We use Bright Smile procedure and Zoom. We have both machines here. Or they can decide that they would like to have the complimentary teeth whitening trays to keep the touch-ups.
How do we get a hold of you to get that offer? That's an amazing offer.
Well, they can call our office. We are here for another 3 weeks this year, and our last day is December 21st. They can call 303-773-3373, or they can go online and find us at Weisbard Dental.
303-773-3373?
Correct.
All right. Angel, this is a fantastic offer.
It absolutely is, and I know everybody wants to have their teeth whitened, as they're meeting with their relatives more often, or haven't seen them in a while, and nothing makes you look happier and more joyful than a sparkly smile. Dr. Weisbard, thank you so much for our health tip today, talking about those do-it-yourself home programs. Give Dr. Weisbard a call, 303-773-3373, and take advantage of that holiday special.
And Angel, they need to tell us that they heard us on Experienced Pros because we want to make sure that they're your listeners.
Yes, ma'am. We appreciate you for calling in.
Our listeners are smiling, they would make great, they definitely need their teeth whitened.
Talking about smiling, don't go anywhere. When we return, more to give you a good smile on the Experienced Pros Network.